this majestic feeling. Now that I'm in love, why am I crying almost all the time? Stories I heard about love, oh how they praise it up to the ceiling. Now that I'm in love, why am I not as happy as can be? Birds may be sweetly singing, it's a good company to me. I can hear bells a-ringing, it's a dissonant symphony. I don't want to be a Johnny-go-lightly, baby, that's not my cup of tea. I just want to love you forever, your sugar has dissolved in me. It's not a flirtatious fancy within a strictly limited range. It's not a silly poet's condition, the weather any day may change. The face I could never replace may be looking at me for company, but it's a hopeless situation. Will it ever work favorably? I don't want to be a Johnny-go-lightly, that's not my style. I just want to love you forever and walk you down the aisle. I used to think a love was a gay thing that sent you ecstatically happy. I wish it could have been a plaything, a childish crush on you. I wish the word like I thought had no meaning. Now I'm in love, seem to be crying all the time.